think na tama ka, mali sila. Baka in their eyes, tama sila. Tama yung paningin nila sa'yo, yun ang paniniwala nila kasi hindi mo alam yung background nila eh, how they were raised, what environment.
I'm where I'm meant to go. At last I see the light, and it's like the fall. So open your eyes and see the way I arrive.